Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really exciting video for you guys. Like I mentioned in my previous video, I think it was, I'm going to be shopping for fall decor. So in this video, I go to Target, Hobby Lobby, Dollar Tree, and Ross. So I found some really cute things that I wanted to share with you guys. I kind of bring you guys along so you guys can see what's in the stores and what's available right now. I also want to make this like a cute little mini series of fall decor. So this first video that you guys are watching is shop with me, going to the stores and finding all the cute things and picking up some cute items. Next video will be me showing you guys the items, giving you guys a haul of what I got and the prices of everything. Then the third part will be like decorate with me and fall room tour. So I'm so excited for these videos and I hope you guys enjoy them. And leave a comment down below what store you think had the best things. And make sure you guys subscribe so you guys don't miss any of the other videos in this little series. So the following clips you're about to see is me at Target with Joseph, and I look rough. I'm not even gonna lie, I look rough because I had just gotten out of work, and so like I had my hair braided and I'm sorry. But anyways, thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video, and let's go ahead and get started. So I came here last week and it looks like they have a little bit more things, so I have my handy dandy cameraman. Show yourself. Okay. So I think I'm gonna get some kitchen towels because me and my mom want kitchen towels for real. So which one do you like? The ones with the cats?
Nope.
These ones are cute.
I like that one.
This one? I like these ones too. I like these ones. It just says Happy Halloween. And the other side has pumpkins. I don't really like the spiders. I'm just gonna get a couple things here. I really like this kitchen towel. So I'm just looking, guys.
Oh, this is cool.
That is cool. Oh,
that's a serving tray.
Yeah, that's cool. So they have little baby pumpkins, and then they light up. Obviously, I think they need batteries, but they light up. They're so cute, and they're $5. Do you like the white or the orange? I'm gonna get this little guy. You plug him into the wall, and he lights up. So I only got these two things. Hey guys, so right now I'm at the dollar store and I'm about to go in and see if they have any fall decor, because you can find cute fall things like for so cheap and like you don't need to spend that much money. So I'm about to go in right now. Excuse like my look, I just got out of work, and also in the last clip I also just got out of work, so I looked rough, I know. So yeah, I just got off of work and I'm gonna go in Dollar Tree right now and see what we can find. And after that, I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby because like I said in my previous video, there's fall decor is 40% off right now. So let's go ahead and go inside. They have so many Halloween decor. So they had so many things to choose from and they had really cute things. So I got the goods, and also I know y'all saw that hot Cheeto bag. Anyways, they had so much cute fall things and also for Halloween, and they even had Christmas things already. So I think I'm gonna have to do this again for Christmas time because it's really fun and I love decor shopping. Let's not talk about it. Anyways, so I got a lot of things, and I'm still gonna go to Hobby Lobby though, just to check out what they have and maybe get a few pillows. That's what I want at Hobby Lobby. So let's go ahead and head to Hobby Lobby. All right, so I'm here now at Hobby Lobby. as you can see. And I really want throw pillows, and there's also Ross here, and I know that Ross has a lot of throw pillows and Ross is really cheap. So if I don't find any pillows here, I'm gonna go ahead and go to Ross as well. So let's go ahead and go inside. Alright, so I'm here, guys. They have so much. This is like heaven. Guys, so I only got a couple things there. I didn't find any pillows that I liked, which sucks, so I think I'm gonna head to the Ross, and if I don't find anything there, then it's fine. So let's try our last resort, and that's Ross. Continued yesterday's vlog after I went to Ross, because I was in that Ross line for no joke 20 freaking minutes for the pillows that I got. So this is the stuff that I got. Let me show you guys. So I got some pillows, and then I got, obviously I showed you guys kind of a little glimpse of what I got at Dollar Tree. Some things from Hobby Lobby. This was from Target. So other things, and so yeah. This is what I got, and I also have things from last year, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull those out as well when I decorate my room. But yeah, I'm going to be doing a haul of all the things that I got today in next video, so be sure to look out for that. And so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. What did you guys think about the stores? Did you guys think that they had some cute things? I actually got a lot of cute things for cheap, so I'm so excited to show you guys, and that's gonna be the next video. Make sure you guys stay tuned. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel so you can keep up with this series that I'm doing. My next video will be the haul of everything that I got in today's video, and so I'm about to film that right now and get it up to you guys as soon as possible. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.